Hey, Jeff Bangerter back with you, talking more about DSTs as a solution in a 1031 tax-deferred exchange. So I want to talk a little bit about the passive nature of the investment. So most of you have built up your real estate wealth through active management, maybe some sweat equity. You go down, you fix things, you are up on the roof, whatever. All of that ends when you go to the passive investment in a Delaware Statutory Trust, or DST. So I want you to think about this. This is a securitized real estate program where these very large, very reputable, experienced real estate companies, sponsors, are going to buy the real estate. Generally, they buy it all with their own money. Then they go through a process where they actually put all of the data together to show you, the investor, exactly what the rents are going to be, what the expenses are, the whole 9 yards. These, again, national management companies, they're going to hire, if they need to, any local management companies. So typically in an apartment, right, you're going to have a management company on site. So they hire those people to do that. They lease and maintain the property, they collect the rent, they service the mortgage, which you're not responsible for. This is a non-recourse mortgage, you don't have to worry about it. And eventually they sell the property. And because they're so well known in the real estate industry, the high level Class A real estate, a lot of these things are done off market. You know, they buy off market and they sell off market, and they do well. You know, they have a vested interest. They want to get this thing done and get cashed out, get you cashed out. They want to make sure that you're happy because they want you to come back and do it again with them, right? So many of these have been in business for years and years. They have historical track records we can show you. And the bottom line is, when you think about this fractionalized, securitized real estate strategy, right, it eliminates all the headaches and all the time-consuming burdens of active management. You don't have to go visit your property. You don't have to deal with any tenants. You have no liability, none. All the liability goes away. Really, this is the highest level of real estate. Professional management, professional companies that are doing all of the everything, the day-to-day management of the asset. You don't have to worry about it. So you take the 1031 exchange, you transfer, you sell your real estate, you do the transfer via the 1031 exchange into these securitized properties, and you don't have to worry about it anymore. Obviously, we need to make sure we put you in the right real estate for your comfort level, right? Apartments are very conservative. Maybe you want something that's got a little more juice in it. We can certainly show you those as well. But this is a way to defer all the taxes and enjoy all the benefits of the real estate, including the capital appreciation. A lot of people somehow think, well, I get income, but then you guys keep everything. No, you're the owner. You and the other owners own it. When it's sold, you get all of the capital appreciation that it generates, right? So you own it. You get all the benefits. It's just these securitized management companies, they're taking care of everything for you, right? So one of the things too is, if you have debt on your property, right, you have to replace it with new debt. We're going to take care of that for you without you having to worry about it, because it's non-recourse, and it won't show up on your financial statement anymore either. So if you need to finance a different property, this one, whatever mortgage you have, let's say you have a $5 million property with a $2 million loan, it's going away. That will be gone. It's going to free up your credit capacity so that you could do other financing on other properties that you might own. So hopefully that makes sense to you. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call, 800-451-2351, and be happy to just chat with you and help you understand this process a little bit more. Thanks for watching.